Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. My name is Lori and boy do I have a very exciting unboxing for you today. Now if you remember correctly, I did the BOXYCHARM for my daughter and she did in fact receive the Natasha Denona little 5-pan eyeshadow. And I received in my BOXYCHARM Premium the eyeshadow palette from Ilamasqua. Absolutely stunning and beautiful palette. If you haven't figured out by now what box I'm about to unbox, well, let's just get into it, okay? My base box for BOXYCHARM just got here. Now BOXYCHARM is a month-to-month beauty box subscription. It does have 3 different tiers, this one being the base box, which is the smaller box. And the one thing I do love about it is the color. This is the base box. This is cranberry red, whatever color you want to call it. But it's not mauve. Anyway, and then the BOXYCHARM Premium that I unboxed is that real pretty powder baby blue. And then when we are not getting, because we upgraded from this red box right here to the Boxy Luxe, that one is black inside. Let's stick with this one right here. This costs $25 a month and some change when you go ahead and take a look at your bank statement. $26 and some. Anyway, come on. Let's do this. All right, you guys want to know if I got the Natasha palette, don't you? This is your 3-second peek. All right, I'm going to move kind of fast. BOXYCHARM, their theme for this month of November is Harvest. It has this absolutely beautiful colors, orange, greens, browns, I mean, you name it. Thanksgiving, it's fall, it's autumn. It says autumn. So do my eyes. In honor of the Natasha Denona being featured in the base box, I did ask my daughter, and I am wearing her palette. First thing in the box, you get a coupon, a 25% off site-wide. It's site-wide, and it's the Natasha Denona. She's treating charmers to this big 25% off at the natashadenona.com site. You just have to use the code NDX Boxy. If you don't get BOXYCHARM, but you saw and watched my video, go to the website, type in NDX Boxy, and you can take advantage of this 25% off as well. Okay, so another thing that happens with the BOXYCHARM base box is you do get one choice. They send you an email and let you know that, hey, choice is open, head on over, and you get to pick an item that's going to be in your box. And usually it's 3 to 4 items that you take a look at and you say, hey, that's the one I want in my box. That's the one that comes in your box with all the other stuff that they're going to be giving you. And I do believe, if I'm not mistaken, that this was my choice. This is the Bodyography, and it does have the 2, what are these? The 2 eye pencils. It's a dual pack. So it makes sense to me that that's something that I would pick. When you see the items that are in my box, it just makes sense that that would be something that I probably did choose. These are the pencils. It is a black and a brown. See those? One is onyx and the other is black walnut. So this one here actually does look like a really pretty brown, but this is the black walnut. It goes on, and I'm just going to say right now, I don't really like the feel of these. It goes on like a dry pencil. Almost like an artist pencil that you draw in art class. And I don't like the feel of those types of pencils, so I'm not sure why I would have chose that. I don't know. I didn't check before I started recording to see what my choice was. I apologize. Okay, here we go. Here's the onyx. I'm going to put it right next to it. And you almost can't see them apart. You almost can't tell them apart, can you? Well, you can see that. Yeah, that one's got a little bit more walnut in it. Anyway, these are the two pencils. They're eye pencils by Bodyography. Okay. Next on the list is by Earth Harbor. Now, I wanted to share this with you because I did receive another item from Earth Harbor, and I wanted to share. I wanted, if that's okay, I just want to share with you. This one comes in at $48, so kind of a big ticket item considering. And this is the Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ampoule, and it's named after the powerful Greek deity of the sun. Restore antioxidants, balance skin pH, and smooth fine lines and wrinkles. This is the Helios. Look at how pretty this red is. It has a fade to it. If you could sit right here and you could actually look at it and handle it, it is like a light pink on top. See that? Okay, there you go. Now you can see it. And then it fades. It's pretty darn nice. Just reading the description of this product is, I'm very curious. I'm very curious to try it. So from Glossy Box, I also received by Earth Harbor, check this out, I received the Aurora. So I got 2 of them this month. Pretty cool. And these have some awesome descriptions to them. Looking in the ingredients, looking at the reviews of them, I'm pretty excited to try these 2 products by Earth Harbor. Again, that one's $48, the one that I just told you, the Helios. Next on the list, we have by Benefit Cosmetics. This is the Gimme Brow, and this one is mine is a 3.5. If you remember correctly, my daughter, she also got this one, and you know what, sometimes I wonder if this is what I forget what I chose, and then I don't go and take a look back to see what it was. It's not that big of a deal. If I can find the information, I will put it down here at the bottom of the screen and let you know what my choice was. And it'll actually say in a little box that was my choice for the base box. Doing a try on. I have not done my eyebrows yet, so I wanted to use this because if I did choose it and the 3.5 is dark enough, I did just do a little bit of the steps in my brows. I had to fill just a couple of them. So let's go ahead and check this stuff out and try it because I have not done my brows. I've filled them in a little bit, just a little bit. All right, let's do this. This is the Gimme Brow by Benefit, $24. I got the 3.5, which is the color. Okay. Next one is by Yensa Beauty. I know you guys are probably going, oh my God, did you seriously get that? Yes, I seriously got this. This is the Yensa Beauty. It's the pumpkin turmeric 2-in-1 radiance polishing mask. And this one retails for $45, folks. $45. And it says a 2-in-1 mask infused with 8 orange skin loving ingredients to help nourish and polish your face for a hydrated, smooth, supple, and radiant complexion. The lightweight and exfoliating formula resurfaces skin in only 5 to 10 minutes, and that's probably just about as much time as I'm going to give something like this. And the last product that I have in my box, I probably should have showed you guys this in the very beginning. I did get the Natasha Denona Peak palette for $48. I had a funny feeling, and it was a good feeling, that I was going to end up with this in my box, and I did. And I'm actually happy that I did because I'm wearing the palette right now. This is her. This one is mine. It has not been touched. This one here is my daughter's, and you can tell that I dipped into hers. I didn't want to dip into it and then show you guys a palette that looked like it had been used. so I used hers instead. I was going to do a full try on, try on with this box, but I kind of wanted to keep this as a little secret until the very end. I did end up with the palette. Natasha Denona, I did receive the Peak palette. It's $48. And I also received the Earth Harbor, which is the Helios Anti-Pollution Youth Ample for $48 as well. I didn't even know that. Just looked at that right now. They're both 48 bucks. Okay, and then the Benefit, which is the Gimme Brow. This one comes in at $24. It is in the shade 3.5. This is the Yensa Beauty Pumpkin Turmeric 2-in-1 Radiance Polishing Mask with the 8 Super Orange Essence. And that one comes in at $45. And then we have the Bodyography, which is these two little boogers right here. And they come, they have the little black and then this dark walnut or black walnut as well, and they come in at $16, and it's a pack of 2, and these are the eye pencils. That's everything that I got. My variation was number 47. That was probably, let's see, all the way over there, like all the way to the beginning of the video. I already posted it. If you did get the Natasha Denona, have a message for me in the comment section, because I'm seeing a lot of videos, they're not getting the ND palette, and they're getting something totally different, and it's absolutely not even close to what you would value and equally put together the ND palette. So I would love to know what you got, what they replaced your ND palette with, and if you're happy. So let me know in the comment section down below. Anyway, I want to thank you very much for sitting here with me, letting me share all of these little goodies. I always say it's BOXYCHARM time. I gotta wait a whole other month for this to happen again, but I do have a whole bunch of other boxes that are still going to be showing up. Oh geez, at least 4 more, and then I'm going to be doing some makeup videos, so you guys stay tuned, and I will see you guys in my next video. Y'all take care. Oh, hang on a second. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button. And if you would do me a favor, I would really appreciate it. And the only reason why I'm asking this is a lot of people watch videos and then they take off to the next. Do me a favor and hit that little thumbs up. It lets YouTube know that somebody actually is interested in the content of my video. And I hope that you are. I hope that's why you stopped and watched. So anyhow, do me a favor. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and then now I'll see you in my next video. Bye.